Well, always too much light. Well, I was trying to. I removed the pin. Let's show you. No pin in the hole. And I was trying to insert this into the lock assembly under the steering wheel, but it did not work because this can only go in a one. See, I have to depress this to be able to get it in. It will not slide in with this up. Something will hit it here. So I have to turn the key to this position here. So let's see. So now this will depress fully. Then this should be able to slide into the lock assembly, but it does not. This is supposed to click up like this when it goes deeply enough, but it does not do that for some reason. There is some resistance in this area or this area or this area. I will try to tell you the solution later if I find it.